Welcome to Suzuki Luscombe Leeds. In this short video I just wanted to show you this really nice Suzuki Swift SZ3, which is entry model, that came in as a result of a part exchange. It's one owner from new, full service history with it as well. It's really low mileage, as it's done just over 9,000 miles, which is really good. Car itself is in a really good condition, no scuffs, no scratches. It has got privacy glass on the back, which is quite useful, especially when you've got passengers and you on the back and you like privacy. Car itself from the front is fitted with the daytime running lights, which are fully automatic. Let me show you interior as well. Car itself is it's a small car, however you've got quite a lot of boot space in it, so it's quite spacious, same as on the back seat. So there's a lot of space for passengers on the back, and as you can see, interior is in a really good condition as well. So moving forward to the front, again everything is in a really good condition. You can find on the door electronically adjusted and heated mirrors. Let me talk you a little bit more about specification. As you can see, there's only 9,189 miles, which is really low mileage. Car is coming with automatic lights, so lights will come on and off automatically. Also, you've got a Bluetooth connectivity, so if anyone rings you, you can answer the phone without even taking a phone from your pocket, or you can listen to your favorite music as well. You've got DAB radio with CD player, and also you've got air conditioning, so you can keep yourself nice and warm in the coming winter. Also, you can find USB port on the bottom, so you can charge your phone. Car itself is a really good on a fuel consumption. You can get over 50 miles to the gallon. And also, for your peace of mind, we will do a service and MOT on this car before it goes out, so you've got full peace of mind. So hopefully you enjoy this video, and feel free to watch technician video appraisal. So technician, Suzuki trained technician, will show you what's underneath of the car, so you've got this full peace of mind that everything's absolutely fine. So looking to hear from you, and have a good day. Cheers, bye.